When you hear the word Bollywood, what comes to mind? Vibrant colors, breathtaking dance sequences, emotional roller coasters, and unforgettable music? You're not alone. Bollywood isn't just India's film industry, it's a global phenomenon, influencing cinema, music, and culture across the world. Today, we dive deep into Bollywood's incredible impact on global cinema. Bollywood's journey began in the early 20th century, blending India's rich traditions with a dash of Western influence. Its unique formula of music, romance, action, and drama created a cinematic experience unlike any other. This is what makes Bollywood films not just stories, but grand spectacles of emotion and celebration. The 1950s to 1980s marked Bollywood's golden era. Legendary directors like Guru Dutt and Raj Kapoor, along with iconic stars such as Amitabh Bachchan and Hema Malini, defined an age of unforgettable cinema. Films like Sholay, Mughal-e-Azam, and Mother India didn't just entertain, they became cultural milestones, reflecting the dreams, struggles, and values of Indian society. By the late 90s and early 2000s, Bollywood broke borders. Movies like Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge and Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum captured hearts far beyond India, from Asia to the Middle East, Africa, and even Western countries. Bollywood was no longer just a local phenomenon, it became a global movement. What truly sets Bollywood apart is its music and dance. Songs aren't just background scores, they're integral to the story. Bollywood choreography has inspired global music videos, pop performances, and dance reality shows. From Jaya Ho to Malhari, these beats have made the world dance. At the heart of every Bollywood film is its storytelling, rich with emotions, family bonds, love, sacrifice, and social messages. These universal themes connect deeply with people across cultures, making Bollywood movies relatable even without understanding the language. It's emotional storytelling that transcends borders. Bollywood has become a cultural bridge, a window into Indian traditions, festivals, and values. From vibrant Holi celebrations to grand wedding scenes, these films foster intercultural understanding and spark curiosity about Indian life worldwide. Today, Indian actors like Priyanka Chopra, Irfan Khan, and Deepika Padukone have conquered Hollywood, proudly representing their heritage on the global stage. Their success reflects Bollywood's growing influence across the entertainment world. Hollywood and Bollywood collaborations are more frequent than ever. Movies like Slumdog Millionaire and Life of Pi masterfully blend Indian and Western storytelling styles. Even blockbuster franchises like Marvel now feature Indian characters and cultural nods, showing just how intertwined global cinema has become. As global audiences crave more diversity, Bollywood's impact is visible in Hollywood, with stronger family-centered plots, emotional depth, and even musical influences shaping modern storytelling. Cinema is no longer about East versus West, it's about coming together to tell stories that resonate universally. Bollywood itself is evolving rapidly. Today's filmmakers experiment with complex characters, fresh genres, and socially conscious themes. Movies like Gully Boy and Article 15 reflect a bold, new Bollywood pushing boundaries and exploring uncharted territory. The digital revolution has supercharged Bollywood's global reach. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus Hotstar bring Bollywood films to living rooms around the world instantly. Social media, YouTube, and Instagram amplify its songs, dance challenges, and memorable dialogues. Bollywood is now everywhere, anytime. Despite changes, one thing remains constant: Bollywood's magic. It continues to inspire generations, shaping dreams, creating global icons, and connecting people through the universal language of cinema. Its legacy endures, and the future looks brighter than ever. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite Bollywood movie or scene that touched your heart or made you dance? Share it in the comments below. thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button if you love Bollywood. Bell subscribe for more deep dives into the fascinating world of cinema. Movie Camera and check out our playlist on Bollywood stars, hidden gems, and blockbuster hits. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep celebrating cinema.